it looked like a bird, but it wasn't a bird. Sometimes it looked like spilt milk. Sometimes it looked like spilt milk, but it wasn't a tree. Sometimes it looked like an ice cream, but it wasn't an ice cream cone. Sometimes it looked like a where's the book? Did you find it?
Flower.
Flower, but it wasn't a flower. Sometimes it looked like spilt milk.
Sometimes it looked like a pig.
Sometimes it looked like a pig.
I'm Baby Cat. That's the green circle.
Turn him on.